to the tool haul, you guys. Today we will be unboxing the DEWALT DCF900B. It is the impact, it's a 1/2-inch impact wrench. I will have a link in the description below. You can go check it out on Amazon. If you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps with the algorithm, and I just want to serve you guys. So for demonstration purposes, I have a 5 amp hour XR battery, as well as just a 1/2-inch 17 millimeter socket, impact grade socket. So let's open this guy up. On the back of the box, it shows all of the specifications. And I got the one that, I mean, this had, I think, 4.8 star reviews on Amazon. It is fantastic as far as what I've seen and heard about it. And as you may have seen on the sway bar link replacement video I did on the 2007 Toyota Prius, I wished I had one of these at that point. Okay, so this has the hog ring anvil, which basically it's your socket, you just push it on over that. So I'm gonna just push it into place, okay? And then just like any other DEWALT tool, you have your forward and your reverse. So that's reverse, that's forward. Attach our battery. Okay. There are different modes, and we can actually set the brightness. There's our 3, there's our screw, first, second, which it came by default in the second. Okay, let's go third. It's really powerful. Okay. And then, yeah, so 1 and 2 would be for most standard applications. Let me know if you have any questions about this particular tool. It's amazing for what I use it for: car repairs, small engines, you name it. Great construction applications. Wow, that's powerful. But this is a monster of a tool. Definitely check it out. It's worth adding to your collection of tools. Also, you guys, I forgot to mention, here's your instruction manual. It comes with this little guide for the DCF900 that says that there's a precision wrench mode, and it's in order to prevent over tightening. So the little mode here on the front that has a screw on it, that's for over tightening. If you guys have any questions or any comments related to this particular DEWALT impact wrench, please leave them in the description below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks.